Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, The Nature and the Wild. So today it's pretty interesting, I was always trying to do macro photography, but the lenses for the traditional DSLR cameras or the RF series are very expensive. So recently I have been approached by a company called Apexel. They are very professional by making gears for your smartphone. And I have a very interesting stuff for you guys today. HD macro lens is basically a zoom lens, and that gave you more than 20x zoom of your subject. I have connected these with my smartphone, and now I have seen a couple of bumblebees, some different kind of insects on the flower here. I'm gonna do some macro photography using my smartphone. So guys, stay tuned with me, and I hope you will like this episode because a lot of us want to do macro photography. Expensive gears, right? This is very cheap. It's somewhere around 70 bucks for your smartphone. It comes with a ring light and the lens, and you can just attach it with your phone, and it's pretty easy. So let's do a test, guys. So guys, I have a lot of bees here. I'm trying to shoot them using this gear. Let's see how the pictures comes. So guys, this is absolutely amazing. I can go a little bit closer, but you don't need to go very close to the subject. It has a zoom, and that gives you a nice image. I just got this image. Just have a look and let me know how you like it. Come on guys, just have a look at this beautiful image of this bumblebee. So this is pretty easy, guys. You have your phone, smartphone, you have this whole connector with your phone, and then you can connect your lens with it. And this is your zoom ring. You can zoom in, zoom out with that. And this is absolutely great and give you very, very nice images, guys. You can see this is a HD macro zoom lens, and you get this kind images, guys, with this nice image of the solitary beetle. Just have a look, guys. Look at the bokeh effect. Look at the subject placing. This is really great. So guys, I'm going to put all these images and the videos I made with this lens inside the video. Have a look. Let me know how do you like it, guys. Let's move to the next segment. So guys, you can see I have a couple of bumblebees here, and I'm using this Apexel macro lens for your iPhone, and that's giving me very nice and striking videos I'm trying to make here. So you can see, guys, this is absolutely sharp, nice that images. Go a little bit closer to the subject, and then the subject can fly away, but I'm trying my best. lens has a very nice bokeh effect. So when you take the picture of your subject, it's completely in the focus and the background is fully blurred. So this is very awesome for closer subjects and for the macro photography that's really needed. Okay guys? Lot of bees, bumblebee, solitary beetles, small insects. I was trying to capture this lens, and one thing is very amazing, guys. You can go very close to the subject and take very nice images with this lens, and that can be counted as a macro. Although these are not that macro, like very close-up shots of the insect where the eyes are popping out, because for that kind of setup, you need those you need those insects to be stable in one place, and mostly into the studios those are very possible. But now inside the real world scenario, this lens perfectly work. You can go to the closer, you can take the pictures as nice as possible. I have put all the videos and pictures there. You can also make nice videos too there. So far so good. I'm very satisfied with the images, with the video quality, and I hope you will also like it, guys. So have a look, let me know your questions in the comment box, and I will get you a discounted link for that new particular product so you can buy directly from that. So, thank you guys. Please like, share, subscribe my channel, and see you in the next episode.